this, and you will be in the back end. So first step is you get to the dashboard. The dashboard is going to dashboard's going to be like that. It's going to look like this. This software shows you everything that you need to know for your basic payments, your projects, your invoices, your income, your expenses, everything that you have to manage, your calendar, whatever's going on. It's all there. So first one is messages. So if you have a message that you want to send back and forth between all the different people, so you can pick like Corey or all the different people in your company, and say you want to talk to Corey, you say follow-up needed, talked to Beard, or talked to Sophia, need cover. Corey is our CTO and graphics designer and web. He's one of our top guys, so we'd say need cover for magazine, rough draft, finished by whatever date, and then you can click and put an attachment or whatever project it is, and then you press send, and it'll go over to Corey. Then obviously you have your inbox, you're sent, so you get the idea. So go to projects, or whatever projects you have coming up. You can do an unlimited amount of projects. So we have like membership implementation, and that's right here, and everything. You can set specific dates and tasks for that project. You can put milestones, and for the project you can put files, add files to the project, notes for the project, invoices on the project, and activities. Then you go, now the main thing you're going to be using is leads and clients. So clients is obviously you put the client in, and then you can go to settings, and you can edit it, and you can add all their other stuff, and basically keep track of what's happening and what you're doing with the client. You can set notifications and messages and alarms. The leads is the main thing you're going to use. So yeah, say you have a new lead, and you're going to put the name in, test, who's the source, who's the referral, where did it come from. Let's say it was Facebook, blah is the company, blah.com is the website, what's the position of the client, the email, etc., etc., etc. Then you can put the description. You can choose to have it be a private lead for yourself, or you can choose to share it with whatever agents and people in the company you want. Then you press save, and there it is. Boom. So there's the client that just got added. Then you click the little dots here, and then all the information on the clients here. So like for instance, this is one of our clients. Here's all the information. Spoke to Vince. This is what we did. This is the next steps that need to be done, and you can add whatever you want for that client. Now this is a good one right here to get examples. So talk to Adrian. This is a travel company for a commercial, and this is all their information. And this is what needs to be done, the follow-up, and then their information is all right here, and then so on and so forth. So you can do new lead, new status, which is really important. You can change it by color based upon the progression of where the project is, and then you can import leads from other situations as well. And so that's great. So invoices, you can invoice the client. You add a new invoice, put all the information down, and it will send an email directly to them. It'll add up all the invoices, the estimates. You can add the estimates, the expenses. You can do expense reports. You can do subscriptions. You can do items. You can do quotations. And the calendar is really important. The calendar is is a really great way to organize. So, for instance, we have a client's event coming up. So, Monica Grace Women's Conference. Start date is going to be August 10th. End date is going to be August 11th. Description, client, event, business, Expo Center, Monica Garcia Robinson. We'll pick pink for her, save, and then obviously if you go to month, go to August, there it is. Click on it, there's the information. So the calendar, and then you can send this calendar to anybody. So you see the project's already on the calendar. Really nice. So reports, you got all your expenses and your reports and income and everything on here. So as you add more things, you'll see more on the calendar. Than tickets. You can do a new ticket, and you can assign tickets, you can assign services, you can assign different things. This is really important. So as you build, you can assign this to different people in your company. You can send notifications. This is kind of like a report ticket or a progress ticket. And then so this is how everything works. So if you go to settings, obviously you can choose PayPal gateways and bank transfers and how people get paid. You can set everything up as far as how your company structure needs to work. And agents, you set up different agents. You can add different agents, and then what's really cool actually is you can change their roles. Okay, so say you want Sophia not to be able to see the expenses and the estimates and um, so let's just say you don't want them to see the money stuff, right? So you click save, and now Sophia won't be able to see that. Or you want them to do everything. Or if they say they're a COO or CEO or somebody that's really important, then you'd make them a super admin, and they'd have access to pretty much everything that you have access to as an owner. And you press save, and you're good to go. So there you go. That's a basic idea of clients.eZWayPromotions.com. It's a great project management, assignment, lead generation, follow-up type program. And if you have any other questions, let me know. I'm Eric Zulli for eZWay Network.